Assalamualaikum friends, here is great print templates bundles. Here is voucher, business card invite, flyers, graphics, Photoshop action, mockups, magazine, logos, letterhead and resume stationery. Okay, all files are protected. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime. Okay, so here is 40 and that's mean total voucher is 20 and one file is preview. Wow. Okay, these are InDesign file. Next is tripod voucher. Wow, same here, InDesign file. Amazing. Company name, creating valuable growth. Okay, wow. We are okay. Future, you see, that's mean these are professional. Wow, mostly a use for photographer. A picture intro is signed for InDesign. Amazing. For gym, this file is APS and AI for Adobe Illustrator and CMYK color. Here is food menu, burger store, tripod voucher. Wow, real estate creative. Okay, double click here, blue and red. These are InDesign file. No InDesign in my laptop. Same thing is here. Main file A4 are US letter. These are Adobe InDesign file. Here is Adobe InDesign and here is PSD for Photoshop. Okay, you can edit this one in Photoshop. Okay, next is business card. Here is 50 business card. Wow, you can edit one by one. Here is card invite, Mother Day, gift certificate. Next is flare. Total 10 flares here. Nightclub, water party, a special course. Whoa. Okay, smart choice. Here is 4 different color. Heavy brick, best quality coffee, photographer. We are professional photographer. Wow. Now next is graphics. Wow, snake effect here, volcano, ice and musical, jigor, sunset and leaves. These are PSD for Photoshop. Okay, next is letterhead. Here is 2 letterhead, APS for Adobe Illustrator. Here is logo. Wow, Next is magazine. Here is 2 different magazine. Wow. I think here is 40 pages. Wow, 40 pages here, and here is 20 pages in one color. Mock-up mostly in BST. Wow. 3D website display mock-up. Amazing. Wow. Responsive website mockup. Photoshop action. Wow. Makeup. Raw. Color 10 premium. Resume is CV resume. Here is 10 format. Wow. And last is stationery. Here is 10 stationery. A DVD, envelope, letterhead, folder. Wow, here is many things. Cup, banners. Oh, same, all file in one. Okay, 2016, but you can write here 2022. I hope this useful for you. Password in this app for by now lifetime. Take care, love, peace.